Why do humans help strangers? Imagine this. You're walking down the street and see a stranger drop their wallet. No one is watching, no reward, no punishment. Yet, many people still stop and help. Why? From a purely survival perspective, helping others seems irrational. But psychology tells us something powerful. Helping others is not a weakness of the human mind. It is one of its greatest evolutionary strengths. Today we're diving into prosocial behavior, the psychology behind kindness, cooperation, empathy, and altruism, and why understanding it can change how you see human nature. Welcome to Psych Academy. What is prosocial behavior? Prosocial behavior refers to voluntary actions intended to benefit others. This includes helping, sharing, cooperating, comforting, donating, protecting others. Unlike obedience or duty-driven actions, prosocial behavior is often internally motivated. The person helps because it feels right, not because they are forced. Is prosocial behavior selfless or selfish? This is one of psychology's most fascinating debates. On the surface, helping looks selfless, but research shows that helping others activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and oxytocin. This means helping feels good. Kindness reduces stress. Social bonding increases, so is helping selfish. Psychology's answer is nuanced. Prosocial behavior benefits both the giver and the receiver. It's not selfish. It's biologically efficient. The evolutionary roots of helping prosocial behavior didn't appear by accident. Early humans survived in groups. Those who cooperated, lived longer, protected offspring, shared resources. Over time, cooperation became wired into the brain. This is known as reciprocal altruism. Helping others increases the chances that others will help you later. Even today, your brain still operates on this ancient logic. Empathy, the engine of prosocial behavior. At the core of prosocial behavior is empathy, the ability to feel what another person feels. When you see someone in pain, your brain mirrors their emotional state. Neural systems related to pain and emotion activate. This shared emotional experience pushes the mind toward action. Empathy doesn't just let you understand suffering, it motivates you to reduce it. The bystander effect, when helping fails. Interestingly, humans don't always help. The bystander effect shows that people are less likely to help when others are present. Why? Responsibility is diffused. People assume someone else will act. This teaches us a critical lesson. Prosocial behavior is influenced not just by personality but by situation. Awareness of this effect actually increases helping behavior. Culture, society, and prosocial norms. Prosocial behavior is shaped by culture. Societies that emphasize community responsibility, moral values, tend to show higher levels of cooperation and helping. Social norms quietly guide behavior. When kindness is modeled, it spreads. Prosocial behavior is contagious. Why prosocial behavior matters in the modern world. Modern life often promotes competition over cooperation, individual success over collective well-being. Yet research shows prosocial behavior improves mental health, reduces loneliness, strengthens communities, increases life satisfaction. Helping others isn't just good for society, it's good for your brain. How to strengthen prosocial behavior? Prosocial behavior is a skill, and skills can be trained. You can strengthen it by practicing empathy, becoming aware of situational pressure, modeling kindness publicly, slowing down automatic judgment. Small actions matter more than grand gestures. The real lesson of prosocial psychology. Prosocial behavior reveals something profound about human nature. Despite fear, competition, and selfishness, the human mind is wired for connection. Helping others isn't against human nature. It is human nature. And in a world that often feels divided, every act of kindness becomes a quiet form of resistance. This is Psych Academy, where psychology helps us understand not just the mind, but humanity itself.